This is a demo of adaptive traffic control and traffic data analysis. In this project, we are taking feed from CCTV cameras, and based on traffic density, we are dynamically varying traffic signal duration. In India, traffic signal times are fixed on any junction. Consider a scenario where on one route there is heavy traffic and on another route there is no traffic. So even though there is no traffic, vehicles on another route have to wait unnecessarily to signal become green. To avoid this scenario, we have used image processing based technique, uh, which uh, captures which detects the traffic density on real time, and if the traffic density is below some threshold, we will allow uh, so if the traffic density is below some threshold, it will allow vehicles on the another road to pass. So to understand it better, we will see a demo. So here we have used a device which is called Raspberry Pi to emulate a traffic. In this case, we have considered a normal scenario where we have assumed a signal duration of 120 seconds. So as we can see, in between there is no traffic, or the traffic is very low. Still, traffic continues for 120-second duration. Now we will see our algorithm, where we have used two parameters, that is lower limit and upper limit. Where the lower limit is the time duration after which we start our algorithm. So in this case we have used a lower limit of 50 seconds. So we continuously check traffic density after 50 seconds, and if the traffic density is below threshold, we will turn the signal into red and allow other routes to pass. So in this case, after 90 seconds there is no traffic, so due to which the signal can be make red, and it may allow other routes to pass. So along with using image processing, we are dynamically varying traffic signal duration. Along with that, we are also sending the data of traffic density to a cloud. So this data can be used for modeling a traffic flow. Also, if this data is made available public, then some mobile application can be built which will give the route with the least traffic, and which will allow public to take a route with the least traffic. So as we have seen that basically there are three applications of this project. First is to dynamically vary the traffic signal duration. Second is collection of data collection of real-time traffic data to model the traffic flow. And third, if the data is made available public, so mobile app can be built which will give the route with the least traffic. Thank you.